Do you ever feel like days are passing, weeks are disappearing, and yet your life looks exactly the same? You are busy but not progressing. See? Today we are solving one powerful problem. See? How to stop living on autopilot and start intentionally transforming your life with just one focused hour a day. See? Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because their days are scattered. From morning to night, they react to messages, to deadlines, to responsibilities, to deadlines, to responsibilities, to other people's expectations. By the time the day ends, there is exhaustion, but no growth. What if I told you that you don't need 10 hours of productivity, a dramatic life overhaul, or perfect circumstances? What you need is one sacred hour, one intentional, protect, focused hour every single day. This is the one clear throat hour rule. A simple but life-changing commitment to invest 1 hour daily in becoming better than you were yesterday. The biggest reason most people feel stuck is not lack of opportunity. It is lack of focus time. Think about your day. How many hours are spent responding instead of creating? How many minutes are lost scrolling, worrying, comparing, reacting? Life becomes heavy not because we are incapable, but because we are scattered. The 1 hour rule begins with reclaiming control. It asks you to choose one. Our rule begins with reclaiming controlled. It asks you to choose one uninterrupted hour each day that belongs not to your notifications, not to social media, not to other people's emergencies. Just 1 hour that is yours. This hour is intentional. Intentional means you decide beforehand what it is for. It could be learning a new skill, reading books that expand your thinking, working on a side project, exercising your body, strengthening your mind through reflection or journaling. But during that hour, you are not reacting, you are building. Many people underestimate what one focused hour can do. They think transformation requires extreme sacrifice or radical lifestyle changes. But real growth is quiet. It happens in small, consistent pockets of attention. If you give 1 hour daily to learning, that becomes 365 hours in a year. That is the equivalent of weeks of dedicated study. If you give 1 hour daily to your health, imagine the strength and energy you build in 12 months. If you give 1 hour daily to mastering a skill, you quietly become exceptional. You quietly become exceptional. The tragedy is not that people don't have time. It is that they don't guard it. We often give our best energy to distractions and our leftover energy to dreams. The 1 hour rule reverses this. It says, your future deserves your freshest focus. This hour should be distraction free. Phone away, notifications off. Door closed, mind present. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your mind is used to constant stimulation. Silence feels unfamiliar. Focused effort feels intense. But within that intensity lies growth. When you sit with your work without distraction, you train discipline. When you resist checking your phone, See, you build self-control. You build self-control when you stay committed. Even when motivation fades, you strengthen character. See, this hour is not just about productivity, it is about identity. Each day you complete your one focused hour. You tell yourself, see, I am someone who invests in my future. You begin to see yourself differently. Confidence grows not from motivational quotes, see, but from daily promises kept. Over time, something powerful happens. You stop feeling helpless. You stop saying, I don't have time. See, you stop waiting for the perfect moment. Because every day you have already taken action. See, reclaiming one intentional hour shifts you from passive living to active creation. It turns your days from chaotic creations into deliberate progress. See, it proves that transformation does not require a new life. It requires new discipline. Reclaiming 1 hour is powerful, see, but how you use that hour determines whether your life truly changes. Many people sit down with good intentions. They open their laptop, see, pick up a book or plan to work on something meaningful, but within minutes they are checking notifications, see, replying to messages or drifting into endless scrolling. The hour was available, but it was not invested. See, there is a difference between spending time and investing time. Spending gives you temporary satisfaction. Investing gives you long-term growth. See, the 1 hour rule demands that this sacred hour becomes an bish parrot, becomes an investment in your future self. Ask yourself a simple question. See, if I improved one area of my life consistently for a year, which area would change everything? Maybe it is your health. See, maybe it is a skill that could increase your income. Maybe it is emotional intelligence, communication, or spiritual growth. See, choose something that compounds. Scrolling does not compound. Complaining does not compound. Overthinking does not compound, but learning does. See, practice does. Reflection does. When you invest your hour in growth, you are planting seeds. And seeds do not grow overnight. They require patience, repetition, and quiet faith. For example, if you dedicate your hour to reading high quality books, your thinking expands. You begin to see opportunities others miss. Your conversations become deeper. Your confidence increases because knowledge removes insecurity. If you dedicate your hour to skill building, something even more powerful happens. At first, progress feels slow. You struggle. You feel average. You question yourself. But daily repetition transforms average into excellence. But daily repetition transforms average into excellence. 1 hour of deliberate practice every day separates you from 90% of people who only wish they were better. This hour must challenge you. If it feels too comfortable, growth is not happening. Growth is slightly outside your comfort zone. That discomfort is not a sign to quit. It is a sign you are expanding. Another important aspect is clarity. Do not start your hour without knowing exactly what you will do. Indecision boasts energy. Before your hour begins, define the task. I will complete 1 chapter. I will practice this skill for 60 focused minutes. 3. I will outline this project. Clarity protects your focus. Remember, distraction is attractive because it is easy. 3. Growth is attractive because it is meaningful. When you consistently choose meaningful over easy, your identity shifts. 3. You stop identifying as someone who tries. You become someone who commits. And commitment builds self-respect. 3. That over time, this single invested hour becomes the foundation of a new life. You feel momentum. You feel direction. You feel guyfable. 3. The world outside may not change immediately, but inside you are becoming sharper, stronger, and more disciplined. And when your inner world improves, your outer world begins to reflect it. That is the quiet power of investing 1 hour in growth instead of distraction. 3. It is one thing to reclaim an hour. It is another thing to protect it. Most people do not fail because they lack goals. 3. They fail because they allow interruptions to dominate their priorities. The truth is simple, but you do not protect, you will eventually lose. 3. Your one sacred hour must be treated as non-negotiable. Not optional, not flexible, not if I have time. Non-negotiable. Think about it. 3. If you had a medical appointment that could save your life, would you casually cancel it because someone texted you? 3. If you had an important flight that would change your future, would you skip it because you felt slightly tired? No, because you understand the value. 3. The problem is, we do not see our daily growth hour as life changing, but it is that 1 hour repeated daily is building your future self. 3. It is strengthening your discipline. It is sharpening your skills. It is creating opportunities you cannot yet see. When you treat it casually, you send a message to yourself that your growth is optional. When you protect it fiercely, you send a message that your future matters. 3. That your future matters. Protection begins with boundaries. Turn off notifications. Inform people that during this hour you are unavailable. 3. That during this hour you are unavailable. Close the door. Wake up earlier if necessary. Sleep slightly later if needed. 3. The world will always demand your attention. If you do not guard your time, it will gladly consume it. There will be resistance. 3. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel unmotivated. Some days other responsibilities will feel more urgent. 3. But urgency is not the same as importance. Most urgent things are short term. Most urgent things are short term. Your growth is long term. 3. The discipline of showing up even when you don't feel like it is what transforms this hour from a habit into a breakthrough. Motivation is unreliable. 3. Clears throat. Commitment is powerful. When you protect your hour consistently, something subtle begins to happen. You develop self-trust. 3. Self-trust is built when you keep promises to yourself. Every time you complete your protected hour, you strengthen the belief that you are dependable. 3. And self-trust changes everything. You begin to believe you can achieve difficult goals. You stop doubting your consistency. 3. You stop relying on external pressure to push you. Instead, you become internally driven. There will be days when life genuinely interrupts. And that is okay. But the key is this. Interruptions should be exceptions, not patterns. If you miss a day, return the next. 3. Do not allow one disruption to turn into abandonment. Protecting your hour is not about rigidity. It is about priority. 3. It is about telling yourself every single day, my growth is important. And when you repeat that message through action, your confidence deepens. 3. Your focus sharpens. Your identity strengthens because you are no longer someone who dreams occasionally. 3. You are someone who builds daily, and daily builders eventually become unstoppable. The final truth about the one. Our rule is this. 3. Small daily progress, when repeated consistently, becomes massive transformation. 3. We often underestimate small efforts because they don't produce instant results. We live in a world that celebrates dramatic breakthroughs. 3. Overnight success and visible leaps. But real growth is quiet. It is almost invisible in the beginning. When you invest one focused hour today, 3, nothing dramatic may happen. Tomorrow still nothing extraordinary. Even after a week, the changes may feel subtle. This is where most people quit. 3. They mistake slow progress for no progress. But transformation is not an event. It is a compounding process. 3. Imagine improving just 1% every day during your one protected hour. That small improvement feels insignificant in a single moment. 3. But over months and years, it multiplies. Skills sharpen, confidence grows, opportunities expand, habits strengthened. 3. And one day people look at you and say, you've changed so much. 3. What they don't see are the hundreds of quiet hours you invested when no one was watching. Compounding works in two directions. Neglect compounds. 3. Distraction compounds. Distraction compounds. Excuses compound, but so do discipline and growth. When you sit down for your hour daily, 3, you are stacking bricks. One brick seems meaningless. 10 bricks still look small. But after 365 bricks,